Thanks for clicking on this short video. This is an extraction from a longer video of a workshop. The link to this longer video is in the description below. There, we discuss other facets of the same issue discussed here. Do take a look too.
Now, let's take a look at the job search process. Job search process. I think when we talk about job search, when you're going out to look for a job, many of us focus on this particular part, right? How do we connect up with the employer? Many a time this relates to, what sort of CV should I write? How do I craft in? How do I go through an interview process? That sort of thing. So many people focus on this area. I'd like to highlight to you, if you don't know already, is that is only part of the job search process. That's the only a part of it. In fact, you would say that is actually the last part of the job search process. What are the other parts? 4 parts here. Okay? Part 1, who you are. You got to know yourself. You know your strengths, your passion, your interests, your capabilities. You need to know that. Right? Then you need to know what's happening out there in the world of work. WOW stands for world of work. Right? Once you know these, then you can develop what? A strategy. A strategy to approach the job market based on what you know and who you are. Okay? Once you have all these, then you can start thinking about how am I going to connect up with the employer. Okay? Now, let me ask you a simple question here. Stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Where does personal branding come in? Can you type into the chat box? Which stage do you think personal branding comes into play? Is it stage 1, 2, 3, or 4? Or is it all? Okay, so many say 1, some say 2, many say 4, 1, stage 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 3. 1 or 2 of you said all. Okay, let me sort of highlight again the definition of personal branding. Okay, I bring this up again. Personal branding is the process of defining and promoting what you stand for as an individual. Your personal brand is a culmination of experiences, skills, and values that differentiate you. So what does this mean? This basically means that in stage 1 and 2, you are trying to find out all these things. What motivates you, what you're good at, what you're strong at, right? Then you need to look at what's out there in the marketplace, okay? Whether it's in terms of market trends, what salary you can command, any benchmarks, and what are the prospects, okay? Once you match these two up, then you start looking at a personal brand. Because then you need to know, how do I position myself in the context of what's happening out there, right? Once you do that, then you start crafting your strategy. Okay? How you differentiate yourself, whether you need to upgrade yourself, how do you present yourself to the world out there, right? And then when you are going out to connect up with employers, right? How you develop the network, how do you communicate, how do you talk to the network, right? How do you customize your applications, your CV and all, even your interview process? How do you customize that to appeal to the employer, right? And sometimes you may ask yourself, okay, I'm going to a new area. I want to gain new experiences. How can I use my branding to sort of make sure to help me gain new experiences? Okay. So to cut a long story short, right? So stage 1 and 2 helps to develop your brand. The application of the personal branding will come in stage 3 and 4. Okay, so for those of you who said all, is a yes and no answer. All right, so this is what it looks like. Stage 1 and stage 2 helps to develop your brand, right? Because you know what you are good at, how you present yourself, how you position yourself in the world of work. Then you use that brand to craft your strategy, and then you connect up to employers. Hi, thanks for watching this video. If you like what you've seen and can't wait for the next one, Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in the link below. See you soon.